Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of City University, our Purva project officer would like to take pleasure to welcome Dr. Anil Agarwal with a distinguished career spanning over 3 decades. Dr. Anil Agarwal stands as a beacon of expertise in the realm of orthopedic healthcare. Dr. Agarwal embarked on his journey in medicine at the esteemed Government Medical College Patiala, earning his MBBS degree in 1988 and his passion for orthopedics led him to pursue further specialization, culminating in a Master of Surgery in Orthopedics from the prestigious Rajendra Hospital, Patiala in 1995. Throughout his illustrious career, Dr. Agarwal has served tireless across various sectors, including government institutions, corporate healthcare setups, and the private domain. His commitment to excellence and patient care has earned him widespread acclaim, with numerous individuals benefiting from his compassionate approach and clinical acumen. Dr. Agarwal's dedication extends beyond the confines of his clinic as he remains actively involved with the numerous medical and orthopedic associations and journals, contributing to the advancement of knowledge and best practices in his field. Presently, he spearheads his bones and joint specialist clinic in Dugri, Ludhiana, where he continues to uphold the highest standards of the orthopedic care, providing relief and restoration to countless individuals. So, without any further delay, sir, I'll hand over this session to you.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, friends. Uh, I am Dr. Anil Agarwal from Ludhiana. I'll talk you about what is health, how to attain good health, how to spread the message of good health to others, and how to become an entrepreneur in healthcare industry. Okay, friends. According to WHO, that is World Health Organization, health is not merely the absence of disease, but health is a complete state of physical, mental, social well-being. It's not only the absence of disease when you are healthy. In the current scenario, financial and spiritual elements can be added to the definition of health. When do you say you're healthy? When you have weight according to your height and age, when you have good diet, good complexion of skin, you have bright eyes, sweet breath, sound sleep, regular bowel and bladder movements, and well coordinated bodily movements, then you could say you have got good physical health. That is, when every cell of your body, every organ is functioning at optimum capacity in the perfect harmony with rest of the body, then you could say you have got good physical health. But if a person is healthy physically, could he be have total health? No. If a person is healthy physically and his mind is having conflicts, he has depression, anxiety, he cannot be considered healthy. So, along with physical health, he should be mentally healthy also. That is, mental health means one should be free from any depression, anxiety, or inner conflicts. That is, when one have balance with yourself and the surrounding world. That is, when you are in harmony with self and others. when your mind is creative, thinking new ideas, when you are at peace with yourself. That is, you could say you're mentally healthy. So, along with physical health, your mental health is also very important. Then, social health. That is, when one is happy with self and with the community in general. That is, with your spouse, with your husband or wife, with your parents, with your father, mother, with your brother, sister, when you are at peace with your friends, when you are happy with your teachers, colleagues, neighbors, when one consider the welfare of self and along with the welfare of others, then he is socially healthy. When one does what he promises well on time, then he could be considered socially healthy. Even on ancient time, the first sign of socialization was a united fracture femur, thigh bone. That is, if somebody had got fracture and he was cared for to cure it, that was the first sign of social health. So, along with physical health, a sound mind, mental health, and social health is also very important. Along with these, spiritual health, that means one should be attached with Almighty, one should respect the religion of Him and that of others as well, and one should pray God. That is, he should be spiritually healthy. Along with these, in today's scenarios, financial health is very, very important. That is, when one knows his financial needs, his work for the betterment, knows how to earn money, spend money, and invest money wisely. That is financial health. So, health is not only physical health, it also includes mental health, social health, spiritual health, and financial health. It's also not a destination, but it's a journey. Health is a journey. It's a continuous process. One has to strive for continuously to attain good physical, mental, social, financial, and spiritual well-being. And this how physical health can be gained. Physical health can be attained with good nutritious diet, including that includes carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and roughages. It should include plenty of water, that is approximately 3 liters of water daily. And a good healthy person should do fair amount of exercise that may include walk, yoga, stretching, Zumba exercises, weightlifting, or any sports activities, at least for 1 to 2 hours, 5 to 7 hours per week. For all these, regularity and continuity are the key factors. One should not do exercise or for 1 or 2 days, then break, then it should be a then Physical health is also involved good hygiene, that is clean hands, brushing teeth, taking bath daily, clean clothes and clean shoes. One should have sound sleep of 8 hours at least daily. Then how mental health can be gained? Mental health can be gained when one is at peace with oneself and having self respect. There is no fear factor. One should not have fear while doing anything. When one consider that every individual is different and can have different views, that doesn't mean that anybody is opposing you, but he could be different view. Sound sleep is very important for the mental health. Simple meditation tricks like taking deep breaths, focusing on your senses are important for a good mental health. Social health can be gained by taking care of others, respecting the views of others, and involvement in the community works. How financial health can be gained? Keeping a record of your income and expenses, doing your work honestly, whatever you do, spending your money wisely, and knowing how to invest and where to invest money are the key factors for financial health. For spiritual health, having good thoughts, avoiding negativity, including prayer in your daily routine, and to care for your environment around you. As you know, man is made up of five tat: Bhumi, Gagan, Vayu, Agni, Neer. All these added become Bhagwan. You could attain spiritual health. So, how to be in a healthcare industry? One can be an entrepreneur in healthcare industry, which is the emerging field in today's scenario. As everybody concerned with his health, one knows that one can enjoy his wealth only when he is in good health. Various emerging fields in healthcare industries are to be associated with wellness centers like wellness and fitness center. That is where you, along with your regular gym and fitness training, one can help others to achieve holistic health, teaching them yoga, practicing meditation, diet sessions, counseling sessions, recreational activities. One can associate this wellness center. One can start an wellness center to be in healthcare industry. And another emerging field and new field in healthcare industry is home medicare. In home Medicare, as you know, in today's scenario, family structure is changing. People are aging, and aging people are living alone. These aging people, as well as sick people at home, they need ample amount of care at home. Through newer healthcare apps, one can start primary healthcare services for the diseased and aging people at their home. This is a new field, home Medicare. It has immense scope. Then healthy food. Today's scenario, one can start cloud kitchen, tiffin services, giving them organic and unadulterated food or theme based food, thus helping people to attain good, healthy life and healthy and homely food to have at their home. It can be a new field for the new entrepreneur. Developing healthcare apps. An IT professional can develop various apps for healthcare in general, like checking blood pressures, heart rate, step counting, calories intake, or burning. These help these healthcare apps help the people in general. Another like time management help apps, dose scheduling apps, one can develop and help the people in general to attain good health. It can be a new field for the new entrepreneurs. Cosmetic clinics. Health is always associated with beauty. Providing skincare services, one can become hair transplant assistant or other cosmetics clinics can be a new field for new entrepreneurs. Another healthcare industry field is medical transcription field. In medical transcription, electronic devices are used to convert voice data into formal reports. A lot of data is involved in the medical field. This data handling in digital forms and using it for further improvement in healthcare can be the goal of a new entrepreneur. One can work in these field part time or a full time. Then medical tools and equipments. All clinics, hospitals requires a lot of medical tools and supplies. Manufacturers, traders, service workers all needed in healthcare industry for large number of tools and equipments that are required in the medical fields. For example, in orthopedics, various nails and plates are needed to treat fractures. One can start a business of these nail and plate as a manufacturer, as a trader, as a service worker. It can be a high earning field. Then health blogger. Health blogger is an emerging field. One can write different healthy tips and stories and can become a healthy health blogger. A lot of people today earn when they have a sizable followers. So becoming a full-time health blogger is a new emerging field in healthcare industry. Then dietitian. Every hospital and clinic requires a good dietitian who can guide patients as well as healthy persons on various dietary regimes like how to reduce weight, how to increase weight, diet in where diabetic person should have, diet for the hypertensive patients. So one can pursue career in dietitian as a dietitians. Another emerging field in healthcare industry is medical tourism. Many patients are visiting India for quality and cheap medical care, and many patients from India wants to go to other countries for their medical care. So medical tourism caters to the needs of these people and is much happening thing in today's scenario. So today newer entrepreneurs can associate themselves with medical tourism also. There are other alternative medicines field like acupuncture, physiotherapy, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, chiropractor. They are very newer and older and happening things in today's scenarios. One can easily associate with these things and can have good earnings. Similarly, one can start online pharmacy, online app based drug distribution, app based ambulances services associated with lab services. So there are immense fields associated with healthcare industries where one can do what whatever he wants. So friends, have good habits, have good health, and spread the message to others and be an entrepreneur in healthcare industry. When you are in good health, you are actually saving your valuable time and money that you have to spend when you are not in good health. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Questions are welcome. Any question I want, I'll answer. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Students, do you have any questions to ask?
Thank you, sir.
I think, sir, there is no questions, so we can wind up this session.
Mm, you could share my number. Any person having any question related to health, I am always there for.
Sure, sir. On behalf of
Okay,
Sir
ji.
City University, and I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your presence and participation. It has been an honor to share insights and experience with each of you students. I'm deeply thankful, sir. And sir, I'm
Okay.
going to share your word of appreciation via email. Thank you so much, sir, for sparing your valuable time for our students.
Okay, ji. Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.